Wait, this is extended. Oh, wow. Wow, whoa, whoa, whoa. There's everywhere. Están en muchas partes. Whoa, whoa. Wow. Smoke, smoke, smoke. Whoa. That's so cool. Okay. Wait, there was one over there. I missed that. Okay. Oh. ¿A dónde está más? Más. Esto es 2022 y estoy haciendo un video. It's 2022 and I'm making a video. Mucho ruido, it's so loud. I'm missing out every firework. You know what? Since it's so dark, you can literally see no one's house number. So this video's safe to not censor. You don't have to censor everyone's house number. It's just too dark to even reveal anyone's house number. But that light looks like a sun, but it's not, or the moon. I can't find the moon anywhere. Well, guys, there's gonna be more fireworks. I've extended this because emergency. Oh! I missed that one. Crap. Max. Okay. Where's firework? I keep missing every single. I missed that one. I'm missing everything. And it just fades away if I'm looking away. Max, come here. Max, para de molestar. Alright, just ignore what I said there. Ignora que yo digo en esa parte. Ay, Carlos. No puedes. Oh my gosh. It's one of those fireworks. There's so many fireworks. It's like, whoa. Amazing. This is very amusing, not gonna lie. Oh, that one was a good shot. Now it's our chance to be a big shot. Be a big. I'm just kidding. Whoa, that was a good shot. Okay, whatever. Alright, anyways, where are more? I don't see any more. Let's just wait. I can't pause this because this is a very special moment. 2022, yippee!
Hola, niña. Hola, amor. Es que fíjate que te llamé porque salimos aquí con Alan y están poniendo pólvora bien bonita.
More fireworks? Whoa!
Bien bonita, de colores.
There's no more fireworks, but you can hear the sound. It's just really. I missed too. Frick. It's like whack-a-mole, but you have to see things. And then... Whoa! Good shot, good shot, good shot, good shot, good shot. Not gonna lie, that was a good shot. Whew. Alright, my mom's calling my cousins. Oh, that is good shot, good shot. Whoa, whoa, that's a lot of fireworks. Let me zoom in. Whoa. Whoa. There's more fireworks out there. I hear them. I just hear so many fire. Okay. There's just a lot of fireworks. Like, what the heck? What? Whoa! Oh man. The sound of fire. Wow, that's amazing. Whoa. Oh wait, there's more. There's more. Whoa. Awesome. What's happening? Oh, let's just wait till 2022 because oh shoot. Oh, whoa. That is awesome. That is awesome. Check this out. Oh, I missed that one. Okay, you can't see everything all at once. Which makes sense because we're in first person IRL, so yeah. You can barely see anyone's house number. Oh wait, that's cool, that's cool. This is just awesome. This is as awesome as heck, man. Like, yeah. Get a good look at that, but you can't see it because the tree is covering it. You don't see a tree there because oh yeah, you can see it now. Whoa! That was really loud. This. Alright, you can't see everything all at once, and the sound is probably coming from here. Yeah, see, wow, oh, yeah, I can't handle the left hand anymore. Let's use my right hand to grab the phone, because my left hand is so tired, it's warning me to stop grabbing it. Oh well, I'm just gonna grab it this way. You don't know how I'm grabbing it because listen, whoa. I kinda missed that one, but that was a good shot. Not your chest will be a big shot. Be a big. Where are more fireworks? Oh wait, I see some over there. I don't think you can see them. Oh wait, I can't see them either. Yeah. I think a lot of people are visiting this neighborhood just to see how many fireworks they just catch. Maybe on 4K, maybe on 144p, maybe on 720p, maybe on 1080p, or maybe whatever anything is, maybe on 4K. Like, that's amazing. That's awesome. That's cool. Yeah, like, wow. Okay, it can stop. It's not stopping. Help me! Ah! Is there more? There's more, but bruh. Alright, if I see that kid, I'm going to expose him. Wait, what was...
Oh, my roots, that was nothing.
Why? Okay, there's some people there. I'm not going to show them. Plus, you can't even see them because of how dark and low quality this phone is. And there's a lot of There's a lot of houses in this neighborhood, and you can barely see their house number. All you can see is just their light. You can't even hire the quality either. It just has to be like that forever. Or maybe forever. Oh, awesome. That's a good shot. Wait. Oh, there's some over there. There's another one over there. Bro, you can't see everything. Yeah, look. It's so windy. I can't even see what time it is. Like, I'm swiping my phone. And it won't show. This is a really low quality, but I'm still grateful that I have a phone. At least I have a phone instead of... Whoa. That was like... Oh no. I think that's the dumb kid over there. Step aside. Oh. Okay, that's a lot of people visiting the neighborhood. That's a lot of cars coming back home. No more fire. I see. I mean, not see. I hear some, but I don't see it. Oh. Okay, that's not the dumb kid. Yeah, it's not. Phew. Is it? I don't know. Let's not talk about it. You guys are gonna ruin my career if I extend this sentence. Okay, that one's a good shot. Bro, that firework going bussin'. Sheesh. Alright, the sheesh meme is dead because it's 2022. Yeah, that's there should be a firework that says 2022 when it's shot. That would have been cool. There's so many fireworks, like, dang, man. Oh, I missed that one. Crap. Bruh, you can't see everything at once. Okay, I missed that one. On the sun. It's not the sun. You can't see everything at once. It's just... Where? Oh, there was one. Oh, that was a good shot. Even on the thing that looks like the sun, but it's not all. No matter how low quality it is, I'm still catching it up on camera. Woo! This is awesome. This is awesome. Bruh. I hear some fireworks over there, but like... Okay, I missed that one. That was very special. Okay, I didn't miss that one, but I did. Oh, yeah. The tree's covering it. You can't see the tree. Okay. Huh?
Get inside.
Okay. Alright. Alright.
Okay. No quiero. Sí.
Oh, whoa. That was good.
Ya cuando está cerca de las 12, como a las
Happy New...
11:30.
Alright. Happy New Year, guys. This has been published on 1/1/2022. Bye.